We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile.
Got myself a hand coffee grinder in pursuit to drink better coffee. It's the first time I use one of these, so seen a few videos online to kind of see like what the coarseness needs to be. I am going to make a pour over coffee and we'll see how that goes. I also got me some local coffee from some coffee roasters. I have had their coffee there. It's a dark roast and I really like it. So let's give it a try. So I'm just kind of learning about coffee. I'm not really sure if it's too fine for a pour over or not, but we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. I'm actually willing to put my time in and learn and get the right cup of coffee at some point. You know, I got good roasted coffee. I got a manual grinder just to grind whenever I make coffee, so it's fresh. We'll see how it goes. Coffee done. Let's see what the verdict is. Is it too strong? I have no idea. That is a seriously good cup of coffee. Wow. Should have done this ages ago. Ooh, baby. Yeah. Got that chocolatey, dark roastness, goodness, babe. Yeah, it's actually really good. I mean, the coffee's good, plus grinding it before I make it, you know, it's fantastic. I'm pretty sure for a French press, I would probably have to grind twice or something, but it's not a big deal. Success. Oh yeah. Find what I'm looking for here. As you may or may not remember, in the past video of mine, I actually installed this thing, and I was able to get the wire in through here, but it was really hard to get this wire in through the bottom here. So, you know, I put these clips hoping that, you know, it just kind of stays in there, but every time I shut the door, they just come off. So I have another solution, and I'm just gonna poke some holes in the bottom here, and then I will attach it with zip ties for now. I'm not planning to hold this forever. I have some other plans for this door, but for right now it's super annoying because it just does this every time I make a left turn or whatever. Anytime I drive, basically this just kind of dangles and does this, and it's annoying as hell. So let's see if I can fix it. I think that'll work. I'm just gonna cut these. I'm gonna put two more in the middle, and zip ties, man, a van lifer's most precious tool. I do use zip ties here and there to fix things quickly, but yeah, it works, you know, and it doesn't look too bad, so we're good. lunchtime. I'm gonna make some tacos, but first, this video I gotta tell you, I got a bunch of new things for the van, which I'm really excited about. First the grinder and the coffee, and now I got a cast iron skillet, baby. I've been wanting to get one of these for such a long time, and I always thought they were expensive, and I don't know, like it's like $40 I think, which is kind of pricey, but I've always wanted one, and it fits exactly on my stove here. I can use both burners if I wanted to. It's the first time I'm trying it, and I'm gonna make tacos, which is great because I can, you know, obviously make some things on this side and have the tortillas on this side. Hopefully it's as good as I thought it was gonna be when I bought it, so let's find out. Alright, let's put a little bit of spicy sauce. This is like a smoky spicy sauce. The Griddle, a success. However, because it's cast iron, I think it's gonna be a little bit tougher to clean the eggs. But I'm gonna actually also season the Griddle after I clean it up, so it has a lot more non-stick on it with oil. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Tacos were great. I just seasoned my griddle with coconut oil. I'm just waiting for it to cool off. That's the one thing that bothers me about cast iron to begin with. It's kind of hard to cook eggs on it, or fish. I don't eat fish, but if you were to eat fish, it's a little bit tough. And I have to wait for it to cool down. The other pan that I have that has the ceramic coating, it does cool off a lot faster. So like, for instance, if I have to stop, make some lunch, and then go somewhere, I don't have to wait for it for a while. Plus this, I have to also season every time after I use it. But if I do go camping, this griddle is amazing. I already love it. You know, maintenance on cast iron, it's also always a little harder. But if I am camping somewhere for 5 days or something like that, I'll definitely pull this out and use it as my primary cooking pan. So I have another toy for the van, and I've got this like a few weeks ago. I wanted to try it out to see how it works. Some of you might know, if you've seen past videos of mine, I did break my main camera, so I've been filming on my phone, and I ran into a few problems with the phone. One, it does overheat. I can't do anything about that. I'll just toss it in the fridge and for a minute or two, and then it cools off. But the second problem is that it runs out of battery, and then I can't just take out the battery like a camera, put a new one in, and be ready to go. So I had to buy something where I don't have to go to the van all the time and charge the phone, but I could actually charge it while I'm out here. That's a portable inverter. Ryobi is the tools that I've used to build all my stuff in the van. I have drills, I have saws, and I have the batteries for them. And when I saw this, I think this was like 90 bucks or something, but they had a deal at Home Depot at the time. It's perfect because I can use the batteries that I don't use anymore, not as often. I mean, I have the tools and I do keep these batteries charged, but now I can actually use one of these batteries, plug it in here, and now I have like a portable inverter that I can have with me and have my phone charged at all times. So it's awesome. Yeah, it has one of these 120 volt outlets, then two of the USBs. But it's one of those things that you never think about, but there it is. So it does have its flaws. So if you're thinking about getting one of these as your primary source of battery, you still have to charge the batteries, and the batteries do charge at 120. So I do have an inverter in my car that can charge these batteries. It can't be charged at the cigarette lighter in the car, for example. So they're not made for that. Ryobi tools are just Ryobi tools. They're made for them to charge in the garage or something, and then go to work and, you know, charge them again in a 120 volt. And I think it will take a very long time to charge a 12 volt from the car. So that's what it is. You could definitely buy a 12 volt inverter if you want to charge the batteries to work this inverter, but it's a little bit more complicated. And the other flaw that it has, which again, I don't think they're made for van lifers or anything like that. There's no like just the 12-volt outlets and no 120. It's all or nothing. So that's another thing. I'm guessing it's gonna make it drain the battery faster, you know, because it's running. But it doesn't overheat. It hasn't overheated so far. It's been working pretty well. I'm really happy with it for my application. It works perfectly because now I can charge my phone while I'm making videos. You know, I can move this around if I need to. And I do have external portable batteries, but they drain a bit too quickly, so this is much better for me. And the batteries that I've had for a while, they're kind of old, so they don't hold as much charge as they should. These are nice because like I can literally I have 6 batteries, so I can literally like pop them off, go get them charged, pop another new one in. It works all day. So pretty happy with it. Video is definitely not sponsored by any of the things that I showed you. I just like to show you guys these things. Maybe spark some ideas for some of you, and maybe it helps some of you out. So you know, I also get ideas from other videos and try them out if I feel like they would fit my lifestyle. And this does. This actually, when I saw it, I was like, oh, no way, this thing exists. So it's pretty cool. Maybe make some cool stuff, I gotta say. All right, ramble over. My picnic is over. It's getting really, really hot. And I think I'm gonna get out of here, go get closer to the ocean, to the beach, because it's much cooler down there. I just come to these parks to film videos, and sometimes it gets a little hot. Check out this video if you want to see more van life related content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.